Hello everyone, welcome to Test Kitchen Thursday, where today I am going to be meddling around with some ingredients to prepare for our seminar next week. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and type those into the LinkedIn comments and I should be able to see them. So let me turn it on here. And I will start. Okie dokie. All right, so I am giving myself a challenge today by creating a novel product for shelf life. Okay, so I wanted to do a gluten-free and vegan product to see if it could stay at least a shelf life of 7 days. We have 7 days till the seminar. Okay, so how do we do that? And let me see. Okay, so I didn't recreate the gluten-free mix. I got it from Leland Bakery, and if you would like to reach out to them, just let me know. I'll put it down below if you do. So anyway, for the gluten-free mix, it's pretty easy. It's 1 pound mix to 0.45 pounds water to 0.3 pounds shortening, 0.3 pounds eggs, and that's pretty much it. So because I want to replace the eggs, I used a product called Maple Fiber. Okay, it's by Norvant. It's fiber from maple trees. Yes. So it's a 1-to-1 replacement in this application. Okay, so let's start by mixing the shortening with the maple fiber. Okay, and what we want to do is to cream it like what we would do in any formulation. I also used a product from Serenda called sunflower lecithin. Okay, this is really going to help with the product's texture. So what we want to do is mix this up. All right, hello Cindy, how are you doing? Welcome to my Test Kitchen Thursday. Let me know if you have any questions, Cindy. Let's do a little bit higher. Okay, next we're gonna slowly add in the water. Oh, it's not ready yet. It's straight down. Okay. Even if it mix until it comes together really nicely. Okay, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's a little lumpy right now, so we're just going to get that smoother, give it higher bead. I get you farther away from it. get on April. I'll wait for me. Okay. It's gonna take a while, so. Alright, let's go. Made a mistake just now. I increased the speed of the mixer before everything was blended together. I should give it a little more time. Okay. But basically, it's just to get it to blend into like a peanut butter consistency. So scrape down again. The thing about egg replacement is you really need a lot of patience to get the emulsification going. So when emulsification is stable, then the formation of the bubbles or the foam, that is the main functionality of eggs in cupcakes. When you get that stabilized, then the foaming will be good. Okay, so we're trying to stabilize it right now. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see how lumpy it is? We're trying to get that down to a smooth peanut butter look to it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to make the cupcakes first and then I'll make the icing after this, okay? It's getting there. It is, gosh. Excuse me. Sneezing. That's something nice about remote work, isn't it? No one's here. Everyone's going to be running away from me. Every sneeze I take. Alright. Emulsify. Alright. Okay. Giving that a scrape. I'm gonna sneeze again. Alright, this is where I want it to be. You can see, smooth. Okay, what you want to do after this step is put in a little bit of the water. And I'm going to put some Sormate in here. Okay. So Sormate is a natural potassium sorbate replacement from J&K Ingredients. Put it into the mix. And I'm going to also give it a no, sorry. Chocolate coconut flavor. Okay? Alright. Let's put these back there. Put all this in there. Alright, someone's telling me that my volume's off, but okay. I can't help it because it's just technology. The platforms that we're using is not very stable right now, I guess. I'm sorry, Cindy. I just made enough to leave experiments till next week, so no sampling today. Sorry. Alright, we're almost done. That's great. I really like this gluten-free mix that Leland Bakery sent me. It is so easy to use, and it works well as a vegan cupcake. So, all right. I'm just gonna put a couple of line muffin cups in here. I really would like a majority of the cupcake to be exposed for this particular experiment. Okay. So, I don't know if you can see this. Let me show it to you. Look at how nice and smooth and flowy that is. Okay. Gluten-free vegan cupcake, chocolate, toasted chocolate, coconut, toasted coconut chocolate, however you want to call it. It's an amazing flavor. Alright. I'm gonna go by eye. It's usually not the best thing, but we're on a live stream right now and I don't have much time, so I'm just gonna try to do these as fast as I can. And goes into the oven for 25 minutes. And when it comes out, I will be icing it and keeping it in packages. The gluten-free mix is from a gluten-free bakery in Florida. So it's called Leland Bakery. So I will put a link to their website if anybody is interested. So I am going to do the frosting now, okay? So hang on there. Unfortunately, it's COVID and I don't have much access to the studio, so this is my kitchen, and I don't have fancy mixers or anything like that. I only have one bowl, so sorry for the wait. We are going to do the frosting next, okay? All right, so what do we do with frosting? This is a different kind of frosting. It is made with oil, okay? So you're like, oh, how do you make an oil frosting? Well, I have a secret for you today. It's called CoverMax by Wecker. This is the secret ingredient to make frostings out of oil, okay? So put the oil, and this can be found under our baking formulations in the resource tab on any of the pages, okay? It's called chocolate tropical frosting. Tropical because it can stand tropical heat, okay? So when you make this frosting, it tolerates 90, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. I even put it in the oven for 135 degrees Fahrenheit. It did not melt. Okay, so oil, put it into your mixing bowl. What you want to do with the water is put it to boil, bring it to 145. Water, half of the icing sugar, okay, and CoverMax. All right, so you want to bring this to boil. Let me bring it closer to me. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you can see, just mix them up. Bring it up to a certain temperature with the thermometer. You want to target that range that's stated in the formulation. I'm targeting 145. It's almost there. 150. Okay, we're done. Let's get you back here. To where we were. Okay, so you want to put the heated up solution into the oil. Okay? Get your whisk ready. And you want to beat it. It's going to go for a while until it's frothy. Okay? I'm wondering if you can see this. It looks like glue right now as it tries to froth up. Okay, it's thickening up. So this is going to go a while until it froths up. Okay. Let's take a look at my muffins. Sorry, cupcakes. All right. You see that? It's coming out. Let's see. Okay. There you go. Nice little volume there. Little oven spring. The maple fiber is working. This is going to take a while. It has to chill a little bit to be able to froth up. It's kind of hot. Okay, as it cools, it becomes a little more viscous, but it's not really gelling. It's just more viscous. It's like foaming, you know. And as it foams, it incorporates the air in there. And what the Carbomex does is the heat process turns it into an emulsifier, which is a hydrophobic and a hydrophilic end. And this process here pretty much introduces air into those interfaces. And this is basically the foundation of the foam that's going to happen. That's going to make your frosting light and fluffy. This is going to take a while, folks, so if you need to take a coffee break, I'll be here for the next 2 minutes to watch this. It needs to froth out before I add in anything else. And I got sugar left to put in. That's pretty much sugar and flavor. Oh, and high fructose corn syrup. You can see it's turning white. Okay, while it does its thing, I want to show you the interior of a gluten-free cake. Okay, so let's right here so you can see it. I made the same batter earlier on in the day. So let's see. Ta-da! Look at how nice that is. There's no tunneling. Oh, there's a little air pocket here, but other than that, it looks pretty good. You can usually see tunnels if we cut them horizontally. No tunnels, ladies and gentlemen. That's quite an achievement in replacing eggs. Okay? Alright, let's see how this tastes. It's really good. It does not have the slimy aftertaste of most gluten-free products. Very light, just like a gluten cake. Amazing, amazing technology. So what we did here was we put the frosting onto the cake, and it looks just like that. Just imagine this is oil. Okay. All right. What's going on here? Okay, so can you see that now? Whoa, that looks like a paste, doesn't it? Huge difference. I'm just going to put you there. Okay, we are done mixing for the stage. You can see fluffy. Okay. What we are gonna do next is we are going to add the chocolate, the rest of the sugar, and toasted coconut later. Yummy stuff. Toasted flavor. Sugar. White chocolate. Melted white chocolate. I'm gonna get excuse me. gives it a little bit of humectancy and also reducing a little bit of the pH. See how thick that is? Rich and creamy. I'm gonna bring it up a bit. Give it more air. And have it scrape down. Let's bring you back up here. Okay. Alright. One final beat. Beating. One final beating. 1 minute. Excuse me. Alright, we're almost there. Look at how rich and thick this is. This is really nice. Okay. So what I am gonna do is I'm just gonna separate this out into two and add some color to the other side because I want a lemon frosting for another project later. Okay. See how thick that is. Whew. It's really thick. And remember, this is liquid vegetable oil, okay? It's a vegan product. No cream cheese or butter. Okay. I use some of Zoom Essence, lemon flavor, and IFC's natural yellow. We'll see how it goes. Sorry, it's not yellow. somewhat of an orange. Alright. So that's not enough. You can see that's not enough. I want a orangey yellow color for this, and it's gonna take more than that. Give it a good whip some more. Can't see. Okay. Smells fabulous though. This doesn't look quite as close to the yellowish color I want it to be. Some color in there. I guess with natural colors, you just have to put in a little bit more because it's natural, right? And I've also heard that you can't call it natural color, so you have to call it what it came from. So if it's annatto, you have to call it annatto. If it's turmeric, you have to call it turmeric. Okay? Alright, so I think I got where I want it to be at, and yellow. Okay. So, it's yellow enough. I'm gonna let it sit out for a week. I'm gonna make a lemon cake, and then we'll see and understand its shelf life. Okay? Alright, so cake's coming out in a couple of minutes. We saw the chocolate cake, vegan chocolate cake, right? And that's all for today. Thank you for coming by and see what's happening in my test kitchen. If you have any more questions, just put it down below. Go to our forums, sign up for our class next week. It's going to be Thursday, and Richard Charpentier and myself, we're going to talk about extending the shelf life of your cake products. Okay? Until then, thank you. Bye.